Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with joint pain, you're not alone. Whether it's due to arthritis, overuse, or simply aging, joint pain can be a real nuisance. But don't worry, today I'll be sharing some effective and simple home remedies to help ease that discomfort. Let's dive right in. Remedy number one is using a warm compress. Heat helps to increase blood flow to the affected area, which can relieve stiffness and reduce pain. Simply apply a warm water bottle or a cloth soaked in hot water to your painful joints for 15 to 20 minutes. It's soothing and very effective. Next up is an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salts contain magnesium, which can help relax muscles and ease joint pain. Fill your bathtub with warm water and add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salts. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The warmth combined with magnesium can significantly reduce inflammation and pain. Remedy number 3 is turmeric and ginger. Both have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve joint pain. You can make a soothing tea by boiling fresh ginger and adding a teaspoon of turmeric. Drink this daily to help reduce inflammation in your joints. Remedy number 4 is a gentle massage with essential oils. Oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender are great for easing joint discomfort. Mix a few drops of your preferred oil with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil and massage it into the sore areas. The combination of soothing touch and the oil's anti-inflammatory properties can work wonders. Remedy number 5 is for joint pain that's accompanied by swelling or inflammation. A cold compress can help. Apply an ice pack or frozen peas wrapped in a cloth to the painful joint for 10 to 15 minutes. Cold therapy reduces swelling and numbs the area, giving you immediate relief. And last, number 6 is exercise and stretching are also key. While it might seem counterintuitive, light stretching and low-impact exercises, like walking or swimming, can actually reduce joint pain. It helps to keep your joints flexible and reduces stiffness over time. Just be sure not to overdo it. Always listen to your body. And there you have it, 6 simple home remedies for joint pain relief. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these into your daily routine for the best results. And as always, if your pain persists or worsens, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or other remedies you'd like to share. Take care and feel better soon.